All right, guys, last time I was at the park here with my little DJI Neo drone. In Korea here, I almost wiped out in autonomous mode, but today I thought I'd try and do something a little different with my drone again, but I'm gonna try and fly over the fountain, see if I can go through the mist. Just thought it would be cool. Yeah, I've never done this before, so let's see how it goes. All right, so I'm trying to make my way to the mist, but already she's kind of shaky, giving me some problems. From right here where it dips is where I'm starting to get my error messages. And then it goes sideways and slams right into this tree and gets hung up. And right now it's going full tilt. It's just like, bzzz. Luckily at 6'2", I was tall enough to knock it out of the tree, and it goes sideways and slams right into the fence post. Yeah, that was a bad idea, because I started getting home point update errors, like may not be able to return to home because of visual problems. I guess the glare over the water, it being so overcast today. Maybe if it's on a clear day, it might work better, but as soon as it got over land again, she just went wonkers, got caught up in a tree. Then I hit it out of the branch, and it's rammed into the fence, and major wipeout, no damage. These suckers are tough. They can take a licking and keep on ticking. All right, guys, my little Neo did take some damage on that run-in with the fence there. The first one is here on the camera, but not the lens. I'm not sure if it's focusing or not, but yeah, right there. And the second one is obviously right here. How come that's not focusing? Oh, there we go, macro mode. Okay, there's the other one. Here's the other one. Okay. Not serious, but yeah, really lifted it up. You can see some green stuff there. It got stuck in the tree and it wouldn't stop, so I had to knock it out. I think that is the only damage she sustained. Anyway, I'm out of storage, but I want to come back and go up and check out that cross there. So something that I'm realizing with the drone is that it's cool going to places that otherwise you'd never be able to go. So let's see how it goes. The more I use a drone, the braver I get. So let's see. So think about giving me a sub if you want to see more of this. If you want to see some of the videos that I shot with my Neo drone, they will pop up on the screen here, and there's more to come. See ya.